Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching this video and previous videos too. And this video I'm making for the DJ Industrial Average World Major Index Analysis, Dow Jones Weekly Analysis. This video and this video for educational purpose, not giving any buy or sell recommendation through this video. And if you benefited, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel to get and press the bell icon to get the early video notification, and always follow my channel to get this kind of analysis like Nifty analysis, Dow Jones weekly analysis, and stock analysis. And you can go through the my description box. You can get the previous video notification also from this previous week analysis video. I will give in my description box, so you can get that also. And this was the full analysis on Dow Jones, full chart analysis. Then you can understand the analysis and why why I said always that believe in technical analysis. This video on Dow Jones weekly analysis, and its resistance 35,100 to 35,000 levels, and support 34,220 to 33,950 first support levels, and then 33,684 and then 33,295 levels. And please watch the full chart analysis and stay with me till the end, you can say. This is the Dow Jones weekly analysis, DJ Industrial Average chart. On the daily chart, you will see this is the rising wedge. It's created the Dow Jones after this big fall, the COVID-19 fall, and you will see after that break the rising wedge. It's never above that trend line, and you will see now a bearish pattern is occurred in this chart, which I told to all of you in previous video also, previous weekly, and it's break the range of that and trade on that negative sign. Is the daily showing the negative sign, and that is why I tell to all of you that 35,000 to 35,100 is the major resistance levels at this moment for the DJ Industrial Average, and support levels is 34,220 to 33,950. This is the first major support levels. Then 33,684 and then 33,290 to 95 levels is the third support levels. So one resistance levels and three support levels at this moment. So I'm cautious and telling to all of you that the bearishness in the chart on the basis of on price pattern, and it's showing the negativeness in this chart. This is the weekly chart. You will see the last previous candles is black candle. After that, a doji candle is there, and if trade below that 34,500 levels and 500 levels, then its next target is 34,220, is almost 800 points. So we have to look forward this how it's behaved. RSI at 40 range, taking support at around 40 range. This is the is enter in the bearish zone and try to support at 40 zones. If it break and again, then those kind of support have to take the DJI industrial average, and MACD you will see is a totally downtrend and it's a steep down. This is the daily and this is the weekly also that you will see the steep downtrend. So expected another bearishness, and that is why I told to all of you that in weekly also at 55 levels, and now the divergence in weekly also showing that DJI industrial average. So major bearishness is there. And it's also medium term moving average also showing that it's trading below that levels. You will see this is the 50 DMA and 20 DMA below DJI industrial average. This index is trading and showing the negativeness also. That is why and is trading lots of this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 days. It's 5 6 7 days 8 days. It's trading below that moving 50-day moving average, the medium term moving average. So it's showing the bearishness. So Mars first major support is at around which I told to all of you that 34,000 levels, and to 33,950 is the first support levels may going to take the DJI industrial average. Is the 34,220 to 33,950 levels is the first major support levels at this moment, and then 33,684 and then 33,295 levels. This is the Dow Jones weekly, daily, or you can say weekly support levels, and 35,000 to 35,100 levels is the resistance levels, major resistance levels at this moment for the DJI industrial average, the world major index. So showing the bearishness in price pattern, moving average also showing the negativeness. So every part of the DJI industrial based on technical analysis is showing the bearishness. So daily also showing the bearishness. Two-week DJI industrial average trading below that 20-day moving average, 20 weekly moving average. So it's another bearishness. So technically it's showing the negativeness is in the DJI industrial index. So I am in the bearish mode in for the DJI industrial average, or we can say I am very cautious at this moment. So please be cautious in the next week, and the bearishness is showing. in this chart on the base total technical analysis. And thanking you. Hope you all understand my analysis, and thanking you for watching this video and from this analysis too. And hopefully you all benefited from my analysis. If you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. Then you can follow my channel regularly if you to get this kind of analysis. And anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course to learn the technical analysis too. And if you learn the technical analysis better, then you can trade better in the with the help of a technical analysis in the market, and you will get maximum profit from this market also. So thanking you to all of you, my friends, for watching my video, and please follow my channel, and please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thanking you to all of you again.